Welcome to Janam Software. Let's understand quickly about the auto penalty configuration for staff. I'm searching a loan. Here I can see that I can uh, decide whether to waive off the auto penalty or apply. If I'm applying auto penalty, I can change the amount also. Now, if I log in from the staff and search the same loan, I can see that applying auto penalty is not flexible for staff, it's mandatory, but whereas auto penalty is not calculated. So to make it working, in user management, user access list or user control list, I click the staff and I can see that search loan access is given, but to access the auto penalty, we have to give one more access, that is view party ledger. Now let's re-log in to 38. Now auto penalty is calculated, but staff cannot modify it. So I'm giving one more access, allow to modify auto penalty. Now staff can modify auto penalty also. But in one specific scenario, I want to keep the auto penalty by default optional, and if user wants to apply, then tick and then apply the auto penalty. So I have to give one more access, keep auto penalty optional. Now by default auto penalty is not applied because it's optional, and I tick here, then auto penalty is applied. Now what I want to do is, by default keep the auto penalty optional, and if user wants to apply, then do not allow to change it. So it should be either keep auto penalty 0 or apply completely. I hope that will not be scenario, but anyway, just wanted to explore that. So sign out and I remove this access. And from staff login, I'm accessing the same loan. Now the auto penalty is optional. It means it will be 0 if not ticked. If I tick, then user will not be in position to modify the auto penalty. So there are multiple options available to work with auto penalty in staff login. You'll have to remember the access control list. Just to summarize, search loan so that customer staff can search the loan, view party ledger so that staff can basically see the auto penalty, or auto penalty will get calculated. Keep auto penalty optional, staff can decide whether to apply or no, and allow one more access, that is modify penalty. So allow to modify penalty. This access will decide whether staff can modify the penalty or no. In addition to this, in case you are accessing a loan and penalty is not calculated, this means the penalty rate of interest is not configured. So for that, you'll have to make sure that in the loan configuration, add auto penalty, this is set to this is added some value, rate of interest, so that auto penalty will be calculated. And in addition to this, at the company level setting, we'll have to keep in mind that penalty calculator calculations configure add penalty as per your requirement, add penalty automatically at a rate of so these two settings mandatorily applied if you want to calculate auto penalty. Alright, I hope you liked this video. Please subscribe so that we can come up with more features, and also share with your friends and colleagues. Thank you so much. Have a great day.